Gano'n ka mo?
Oh, no.
Oh.
Uy.
Green Day,
Uy.
Last Day on Earth.
Ha?
Last Day on Earth?
7, dali.
Yes.
Carbs, si Nonoy.
AFK ka? Wait lang, mag-join na si Nonoy.
Yeah, Green Day.
Okay. Kulang ta duwa eh, you know.
Noy?
Sure.
Yo, we gonna
That's
join
the on
us,
Earth.
bro.
Wake
Me
me
up
up
when
when
September
September ends. Sino si Sas?
Sempet Nember.
Ano ang mga scout?
KST LTG.
LT.
It's last night.
G.
Sorry. Oops.
Ano?
EST, LTE.
SP, LTE?
LTG.
LTG. KSP, LTG. KSP, LTG.
Yes.
You are.
KSP, LTG.
Oh my gosh. Dua ko.
On mic ko. Ha?
Ano bal?
Ano tabi?
Who was that?
AST?
Ay,
KST
Kupal.
LTG.
Ay, Tagalog pala to eh.
Tara.
Oh gosh, English. Guys, hindi man Tagalog, please.
English pa ko tapos Tagalog man lang ni Sagali.
Please, English lang, hindi mag-Tagalog.
Jairos pa rin, be? Si Jairos? Oh.
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
Yeah, si Jairus
Why?
ang black. Si Jairus
Ay,
black.
ara.
Si Jairus
Jairus
black.
ano na?
Si Jairus black.
Sino kulang?
Kulang?
Si Ray ni si Sas. Ay, why Sas?
Si Ray?
Din si Ray. Nag-burn out.
Sas?
Sa pupuging amigo na carbs.
Ha?
Bro.
Ang isang lapit kamigo.
Oo, ganyan pa siya.
Oh my goodness.
70%.
Karoon na nasa please. Start.
Tax evader. Yeah.
Wait.
Si Ray, diin naman.
Start na?
Gana start na,
Start
mute.
na?
Oh, mute na ka mo.
Why pa si Ray? Why pa si Ray?
Di si Ray anda.
Ray, dalian na Ray.
Where?
Galing server ulit.
Kung mag-lock ng server, ano na? Start na ba ito sa?
Ma'am, ba
Hindi
naman?
na sa man.
There's only one anyway, so this will be one.
Yeah. Do like, do a countdown. 1 minute countdown.
Wait lang, lapit na lang sa. Si Ben.
Say like it says
Kingawan niya sa
like when
gawa ka.
like on my left side, on my left my screen.
Oh yeah. It shows.
What?
Don't worry about it.
Ay, oo.
Ito do gaya, Char.
Cord mo?
Ray, bro. Ray.
Bro,
Boy, bro.
dugay.
Range.
Ha?
O yan. Cord yan, may gamiton niya. Mag-join ka sa Discord na mo, mga call.
Ray.
Bro.
Oh, pero hindi makamuna lunch. Hindi makamuna lunch. Kumaking ka sa carbs.
Ay, oh.
Hindi kami magamit Frida, magamit kami Discord.
Bro. Okay. Uy, sino nag-leave?
Ayo.
Who left? Nag-leave si Watermelon.
Doon nag-live siya.
Sino nag-live?
Watermelon.
Oh my gosh,
Ah, he's back.
Harap pa siya ganyan.
Nasa.
What is bro
Harap pa siya,
watching?
guys.
Ray Jan. Ang joke.
Okay, dada. Why not kick ka gid? Ay, get it.
Start.
Oy, si Jairus. Go, lahat na si Jairus. So,
Yo.
Ay, sorry lang.
Yo, crazy.
Nga, puros Tagalog mga friends, wow.
Hoy, wag kang magsasalita ng ganyan, okay?
Sino?
Okay na. Ampang na lang ka.
Start.
Okay,
Start.
Ray Jan.
Start na sa beta sa.
Elijah, di ka kaya rin.
Yes. No.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Ray.
Yo.
Yan na Ray.
Si Elijah, pwede na lang akong CI.
Yo.
Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, joke.
Well, single mom ka na bala? Single mom ka na, Orange, stop.
Start na.
Wait, yung type si Ray, yung type si Ray, yung type si Ray.
Sino ka hambal?
Si Elijah nang
Pwede na naman
hambal.
ako.
Ay, no.
Elijah.
Ha?
Bro, hindi siya
Pwede ko lang nabalakwaon.
Hindi mo na kaya
Get
mo.
londo mo. Gat mo.
Pwede ba? Pag lang.
Bro. Doon na.
Uy, okay. Start real quick, okay?
Okay. Mute guys, mute.
Oh, mute? Oh my gosh.
Am I muted?
Start
Am I
na.
muted?
Nice. Okay, mute.
Mute.
Wait lang, din mute. Uy, gagi. Na-exit ko nga Among Us. Wait lang, guys.
Hey, go on mute.
Hold up, bro. Na-exit ko nga Among Us. Paano ni mag-mute? Paano mag-mute? Okay. Hello, nakamute na ako. Wala. Wait lang. Huy, na-mute na ko. Wala. Ligsin eh.
Wala pa. Mute na. Mute.
Arna, nakamute na ko. Okay. Ay. Bro, may mabatian. Gid ko nga YouTube. Nga gaple. Op. Yo, balon ako. Si Jeremy ni. Isa si Jeremy ni. Bro, why is he? Oh, ay. Oh. Shields. Okay, check the list of songs. Nope. Right towel. So, let's go here. Okay, i-take out ang trash because we're a responsible citizen. Whoa. Where are you from, bro? Jeremy. Yo.
Okay.
Where?
Okay.
Sinag din. Go.
Electricity.
Oh. Wait.
Okay, look.
Okay, so okay. First of all, diin ka mo halin.
Okay.
Where have you guys been? Where you guys have been?
Oy,
I
pasunod.
went from cafeteria to security until I went to electricity.
So wait, Elijah. Chill na. So, halin ka sa left side before ka nagadto sa electricity.
What?
Halin.
No, I was at cafeteria.
No. I mean, no. Yeah, but you said you went to security. Okay.
Left side, yeah.
Do you mind, you guys mind speaking
Jeremy?
English so I can understand?
Yeah, speak English, please.
Jeremy, can you confirm that Elijah was in the left side?
Yes.
Okay.
Alexi, I passed by Jeremy as well.
Yeah, I also saw him.
I'm not gonna.
Sino napatay?
Watermelon died.
Watermelon died.
Yeah.
Ice. This
Okay,
is not
so
a
where is
suspicion,
Oh, go.
but I last saw Jeremy from electricity. I mean, no, from camera.
Okay. So before
That's just
before the body was reported, I was from cafeteria and then I went to check inside medbay. I saw the cameras turning red. You know, the red light. And then I went to electricity. No. I went to security. And then I saw Jeremy heading out, going up.
Bro, sino si Jeremy?
Din ka mo halin niya.
Yeah,
Orange din kaya.
We don't even have anything, bro.
Oh,
Skip,
wait lang.
skip, skip.
Din, uy, din sila nay. Uy, pa rin sila kambal kung din sila orange din kalin. Di, wait, no. Okay. Okay, no. Wait.
Check ang maps.
Oh my gosh. Okay, nakita ko gina si Watermelon nagkadto sa electricity tapos may yara duwa ka tawo si Orange siguro kag nalipat ko kung sinong isa. Nalipat.
Okay, si Orange. Orange is the first
Gapakad to.
suspect. No?
Oh, may nag Wow. Wait lang.
Nagbuta ako.
Mute.
Wow.
Okay, mute na.
Mute. Okay, wait lang. Okay. Guys, I think one of the killers are orange. What the heck? Bro? Oh. Whoa. Why is he chasing me, dude? Oh. What?
Oo, si Jen.
Okay. Guys, let me talk, okay? Since I reported it. Okay, so it's not black on this kill because we were
Okay.
together the whole time.
Wait.
What?
Huh?
Sino nakita mo?
What?
Okay. Last time. Okay. Oh my gosh, hindi ko English.
Okay.
Sige lang. Sige ngayon lang.
Okay.
Si ano? Si Jariel.
Hoy, ligsi ka. Upod ko gani si Black the whole time. Ligsi nila, oh.
Si Eli. First of all, pagka naano ko si Elijah, si Jeremy, tapos si Elijah, nagsunod kay Jeremy. Di last mo nakita
No,
mo.
I didn't. Hello?
No, guy ka na. Kaya pagka,
I was like,
wait, ano rin mo.
Ambar, wait lang.
Nagkagawa ko siyang cafeteria.
Guys,
Guys,
ipaparang
sa
bala
una.
ba?
Guys, sa una.
Oh,
Amba ko nun ni Nonoy, nakita yan si Jariel, nag-self-report.
gago. Paano? Wait, no. Shh, paano yung ako nakita? Hipos bala.
Suspect ko gid si Elijah.
Hinte ka mo, hipos ka mo bala. Ligsi ka mo.
pagkagwa,
Yeah.
Ano ba ginagkita mo, Noy?
Wow.
Wala?
Ano? What?
nakita ko gid si Elijah. Pagkagwa ko siyang cafeteria, nagbutway kami ni Jeremy. Tapos din si Elijah, nagkatusulod.
Hipos sanay bala. Hambal ako no nag-self-report ko no. I didn't feel none siya. No, it was a self-report. Mama mo. Upod. Ha?
Self-report?
Upod ka kagina. I play this might be scientist. Mama mo blue black. Mama mo black. Ligsi ka.
Can you speak English, please?
Okay.
Okay.
Feeling ko man si Elijah. Kay kagina balasang ma-fix nakita. Oh wait, sorry. Shh. I saw Elijah going down to storage. And the body, oh wait, wag ko pagali ng balkon din na lawas. The body was to the hallway near comms.
I'm the guy, right?
Elijah.
Diin ka halin, Elijah din halin. Kaya
Guys.
ikaw ito yung last ko nakita. Pakadto kay Jeremy.
Oh my days, bro.
You're the last person that I have seen with Jeremy.
Bro, y'all are throwing, okay?
Wait pa.
Bro, there's 2 imposters. We're gonna die. It's a double kill.
Okay.
Yuta mo, Lige.
I know.
Just know I'm hovering over you, bro.
Oh, Noy. Ay, wait. Mute.
Bro, I'm gonna spam this, bro.
accept.
Please. One.
Okay.
Okay, guys, since there are 2 imposters, we need to vote one out or else we'll get double killed.
Go one out.
Oh, wait. Hear me out. Is there a shapeshifter?
Hindi.
There is.
Wait lang. Carps, paano nakambal si Nonoy? How did Nonoy say...
Hold on.
How did Nonoy say that I self-reported when I didn't see him near the body at all? When I reported it.
Din ka ng Pinoy? It was left side of comms where there is a gas can.
Wait, hindi.
Side of-
So, paano how did he see me? But not the body.
Gisay, wait.
No.
He saw it when he goes there.
He goes... Bro, okay. First of all...
Okay, wait.
First of...
You
Okay.
only see a little bit. You only see a little bit.
Okay, so, wait. He saw
Imposter
me.
vision, ah.
He saw me, but he didn't see Black. That's kind of crazy, right? Because Black was literally behind me.
Oh,
He saw-
imposter vision. Oh.
But
Hey,
Darps, I haven't seen you all game, bro.
I'm doing all my tasks right now, bruh. What are you doing?
Oh gosh, I'm suspecting Elijah so bad.
wait, Orange, who are you gonna vote? Si Nonoy? Hindi. Si Nonoy or si Elijah?
I'm not gonna lie.
Nonoy, Nonoy.
Oh,
Wala.
I don't know, bro. This one has the
Bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Crazy.
Y'all are all third imposters and y'all are stupid as fuck, bro. Y'all are so stupid, bro. Bro. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh no.
Dyrus, mute.
Oh, wait, okay.
Oh.
Oh.
Play sekarang and mute.
Oh, hindi si Elijah. Whoa. Crazy plot twist.
You forgot to mute, man.
Oh, okay. So,
Alright, look.
is Elijah?
Come on. Oh, I forgot to mute. My bad.
You're dead, man. Please. Alright, look. I mean,
Report mo,
either
no?
it's...
What?
I'm gonna bet something. It's Jairus and Nonoy, bro. Jairus and Nonoy.
Yeah, it's Jairus and Nonoy. Yes, go, Elijah, go. Go,
I
girl.
feel like he hasn't given
Okay,
any
nice.
evidence
That's nice.
or
That's so
whatsoever.
nice. No, wait. Maybe he was chasing me because he was the imposter.
You mute.
Oh. Whoa, my days. Oh my.
No, dog.
Holy shit. Oh my
Not
gosh.
me, bro.
Oh, mama.
Okay,
Mama.
so, sino nag-vote? Who voted me? Fuck y'all for dumbasses.
Wala na, crazy, bro.
Sino? Nag-galit nag-kill sang black.
What do you mean?
I was in a red chip, right? And both of them just came there and then fucking locked me in, bro.
See, I told you guys. I told you guys. Orange was heading to electrical. You didn't listen to me, you fucker. Oh, sorry. Si Ray din.
By the way, one of
I
was
don't
crazy
want to become
also.
an imposter anymore.
One was crazy. You were the only one unmuted, bro.
What?
Who?
Like on the pick side, when you were picking. Like
Who?
fucking voting, I mean.
Who was?
All of them were on mute, bro.
Guys, I don't want to become an imposter anymore.
Yo, I thought I was speaking, bro.
Bro,
No, you were.
I literally called it.
Like, all of them were on mute, and you were the only one unmuted.
Oh, yeah.
I-
I don't know why.
Bro.
I literally
Yeah.
called it, bro. Ah,
Hindi ko na gusto
Guys.
mag-imposter ka. Good life.
Again,
Kulbaan.
again.
okay.
Yo, yeah, it's actually good.
Okay.
Mute.
Pwede
Mute.
na sila eh.
Mute.
Uy, danay. No.
Forgot.
Ray is not even in the call, bro. Okay, guys, it's my time to shine again as a crewmate.
Huh?
And honestly, I want to become an imposter because
Ay, wait.
I'm really good at lying. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, pwede ka ulit?
Bro, mute. Oh my goodness. Alright, finish this game.
Ma-join na ako niya, friend. Ay, si akong cousin.
Yo, Aku, do you mind following me, bro?
Can you please?
Leave? Can you please leave?
Wait, finishing. Or leave, leave na lang.
I left already, but fuck you guys.
Leave.
This will make it much faster, by the way. Leave ka mo.
Master, bro.
Oh. Sino may mo?
Ako.
Lol. Deserve.
Ha? Kabret?
Oh my gosh, ang naka-blue? Si Jeremy? Oh my gosh, orange. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yuck.
Hey,
Guys,
that's
yari,
crazy.
guys, itong ginato.
I am Gyros. Oh, yeah, we know. We know,
Pwede
dude.
ko na,
Dude, we know.
Elijah,
You're not my
pwede
type.
ko nagawon.
Come on.
Hindi. May harapin ka nila.
Hindi ka type.
Okay lang. Ano ang...
Kani? Asia?
Asia.
Woo!
9, okay.
Guys, ka-cute sang unicorn, guys.
Unicorn, ako cute.
Yuck. Tapos dokon pa ka
Watermelon.
What?
Wanna stick together, bro?
Yes. Actually,
Steamers.
Imbita na yung
Fuck the ball with teamers.
Ga, ano ni? Ga-team ni si Carps kag si Nonoy.
Not the range, bro.
Oh, okay. I'll just say, Aku. If I tell you to follow me, I'll do this, bro. Fucking circle a lot of times. If I have the scan thing, you know the scan thing?
No, don't do anything like
Wait, Elijah. I-off gali ang taskbar. Turn it off because we can see it move. Yeah. I-set ang update to meetings. Kay kung makita.
Meetings, okay.
Yeah, meetings. Because if you can see it move, it clears you. So it's better to
Wala pa siya, no?
do gaya.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, finally. Mute.
Bro, hindi ko imposter.
Okay, guys, please let me be imposter. Oh, bro, my luck. Okay. I want to be imposter because I'm good at lying. Duh.
Elijah, pag
Bro, mute your asses. Shut up.
Guys, I am disconnected.
Oh, we don't care, bro.
No, fucker. Okay. We're not just gonna move around without you stupid brother.
Wari na kung kasi no isaw final na ni. Nantana ko dasi muna ya.
Hello. Alright, where
Okay.
was it?
Whoa.
It was electrical, but I got fucking lights turned off.
Electrical.
Well, guys, I will know because I'm on the left.
Let him speak. Let him speak, bro. Let him speak.
Wait. Who is Luna in this Discord?
Me, L. Why?
Okay. Why did I see Bean's body? And you were just back, like, close
Bro,
to it,
I'm at admin. I don't know what you're talking about, but yeah, I'm with Jeremy and admin. What the heck? What?
How is he dead, though? Because, like, think about it. I went there, and I saw you. You were just standing, like, in front of me.
I was-
And then I went all the way back. I saw the dead body there.
I
bro.
was at admin the whole time. And cafeteria.
Yeah, I got. Nah, he was an admin.
Yeah.
Why?
What?
Okay, wait. Someone's a shapeshifter
Oh,
then.
shapeshifter.
Yes,
Oh, okay. I was so confused, bro.
Okay, so
Okay.
Aku and Luna are clear, right?
Yeah.
So
What?
it's either the Germs, Orange, and I play this.
No. Germs is clear for this
Alright.
kill.
I was Luna. Who?
Yeah.
Who?
Real Germs is clear for this kill because
so
I was with him.
So then it has to be Orange and okay.
Okay, it's not me because I was on the left the whole time.
Okay.
Yeah, but the electrical is at the left side of the map.
Yeah, electric.
Yeah.
I was scanning myself on things, and when the light turned off, I just went there and I found the dead body.
Okay, where was Black?
Black, I did not know. I don't find
Let him speak. Let him speak. He's chatting. He's chatting.
Okay, okay.
Wait, what? What? It's Black.
What?
What?
Oh.
He just said he's in a...
Okay, wait, then it's Black. Okay, easy. Okay.
Well, if it's not Black, it's
Black.
Watermelon.
Okay. If it's not Black, it's if it's not Black, it's me, bro. That's how I
Oh,
got.
yeah, bro.
Yeah.
If it's okay, we both of you then.
If it's not Black, it's
Oh
me,
my
right?
gosh, bro.
Yeah,
Don't
bro.
believe me,
Oh
then.
my gosh.
Oh, whoa.
Alright?
Whoa.
It's not Black.
Why did Black say he was in electrical,
I can
though?
see. It doesn't show anything, by the way.
Okay.
Oh, it doesn't say anything.
Okay,
Oh,
okay, okay.
Alright,
Okay.
alright.
Okay, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Mute, by the way. Mute, by the way.
Oh,
FYI,
sorry,
mute, by the way.
Sorry. Okay, guys, I feel like... no, I feel like we got it right. Yeah, I feel like... And I feel like it's either Elijah or... Whoa. Whoa. Okay. It's crazy.
Among Us. Yo, are you doing my muting, bro? Yo, Ako, Carbs, do you mind muting?
Bro, shut up.
Mute. Unmute ka.
Okay.
You're unmuting.
Orange, blue, yellow.
Ako, the Ako, can you mute, bro? Oh, it's CJ, bro. Do you mind muting, dude? Cause like, you've been on mute the whole time, man.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, blue, okay. Blue, orange. Let's keep track of the people we can see because we need it for later. Okay, he's doing that. Okay, just went from the right side. Jeremy and who's the other one? Oh, Jeremy on the right side. It's just us 5 now, so let's see if Jeremy's still alive. Okay, I was right.
Yo, what did Jim?
I was right.
So,
I was
What are
right.
we doing now?
Elijah, I just want to know where you went after being trapped in electrical. Where did you go?
I was not electrical.
No,
was like
I said
actually
after
going
being
up
trapped.
and-
I said after being trapped. Remember, you 3 were trapped in there. Where did you go? Where?
Didn't even say I was.
I was with
Bro.
Aku the whole time.
Bro,
We
shut
were
up.
stuck at electrical.
I'm not asking you.
I wasn't stuck at
Sorry.
electrical.
Elijah, din ka?
Wait,
Diin.
Aku, someone close the door on us, bro.
Elijah, diin ka?
Oh, okay. You saw me pass by you, right?
No,
Like,
no. I said after mo kadto sa after magwa sa electrical, where did you go?
Storage to comps.
Uh-huh. So how convenient is it that us 3 were together and you're the only one who got separated from us and Jeremy is suddenly dead?
There's a thing called shapeshifter, alright?
Huh? Yeah, but...
Shapeshifter.
No, bro started laughing. Bro started laughing, bro. Get him out. Get him. Bro started laughing.
Yo,
Oh my.
I know you were lying the whole time. I know,
Why?
when you were talking, I heard a bit of a laugh, dude.
Yay!
It's a habit, bro. It's a habit.
Wait, was I right? Wait, was I right though? Was Black the bouncer?
Yeah, Black was.
Lol, lol. My bad.
Why did he admit to being in electrical though?
Oh, no,
So
dude.
stupid.
That's an L move. That's an L move.
Bro, nag-chat si Jeremy sa kon ay Madam Bas. Damas. What?
Y'all go start. I'm just gonna be here. I'm gonna go me already, right? Cause I'm gonna talk to someone.
Wait.
Yeah, the body was the next.
What?
Listen here, you stupid guy.
Yeah. Wait, pero Elijah? Elijah, ikaw to
The body, I
nag-kill?
said the body
Ikaw?
was not electrical, and you said you were electrical. Okay, now.
Oh, no, wait. Who killed, no, yeah. Wait, so Elijah, ikaw nag-kill? Bro, he got framed.
Dude, all of y'all were together, man. I could have won.
Yeah. Yep. Mayo lang nag-emergency ko. Where is Carps and Nonoy? And Vian? Bro, may nag-leave. Sino nag-leave? Ay, nag-leave si Black.